Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very important. We're going to talk about how to be polite in English.
Yes, being polite is important in every culture. In English, polite words help you sound friendly and respectful.
And don't worry, we'll use easy English and explain everything.
So let's get started. Emma, what do you think is the most common polite word in English?
Easy answer, please.
Of course, if you ask for something, always add please. For example, can I have some water, please?
Yes, without please, it sounds a little rude.
Another magic word is thank you.
Right. Thank you shows you are grateful. For example, thank you for your help.
And you can make it stronger by saying, thank you very much, or thanks a lot.
Let's put them together. Can you open the window, please?
Yes, sure.
Thank you.
See? Very easy, very polite.
And it makes the conversation smooth and friendly.
There's also the phrase, you're welcome.
Yes, when someone says thank you, you answer with you're welcome.
Or you can say, no problem, or my pleasure.
My pleasure means I'm happy to help.
Let's give an example. Thanks for carrying my bag.
You're welcome.
Or thanks for your help. No problem.
Now let's talk about polite questions.
Yes, in English, we often make questions softer. Instead of give me a pen, you say, could you give me a pen, please?
Or instead of where is the bathroom, you say, excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Exactly. Adding could, would, or please makes the question more polite.
Let's try a few. Could you open the door, please?
Would you like some tea?
May I sit here?
They all sound kind and respectful.
Sometimes tone is important too.
Yes, if you shout, please, it doesn't sound polite.
True. Say it gently. Please.
And smile when you speak. That always helps.
Another cultural point. In English, we often say sorry or excuse me many times, even for small things.
Yes, sometimes English speakers say sorry when they didn't do anything wrong.
For example, if two people walk into each other, both may say, "Oh, sorry."
It's part of being polite in English culture.
Let's do another role play. This time, you ask me for directions in the street.
Okay. Excuse me, could you tell me where the train station is?
Yes, go straight ahead, then turn left.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See? Very natural, very polite.
Listeners, you can practice these little conversations with a friend.
Let's review some polite words and phrases. Please, thank you, excuse me, I'm sorry, you're welcome, no problem, my pleasure.
And polite questions with could you, would you, and may I.
All of these will make you sound kind, friendly, and respectful.
I really enjoyed this topic.
Me too. Politeness is important everywhere, and it's simple in English if you practice.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.
That way you'll get more English lessons with us.
And tell us in the comments, what polite words do people use in your language?
We'd love to learn from you too.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.